Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's make of ravaladdu. After making a ghee, the ghee will be left over, so we don't want to waste it. We need to roast cashews, then add dry grapes, then add ghee. I have taken 100 ml of ghee. And I'm adding 3 cups of suji rava, medium one. Roast it in ghee. It should be completely roasted, means till the golden brown. Keep it in a low flame till it get roasted. You can grate the coconut. Now it is golden brown, and also the grated coconut is ready. Half coconut we need, which I already grated, and here. Now add coconut and also sugar, then add milk all together. Saute it for a while. Wow, it's a nice fragrance right now. Now you can add dry grapes and the roasted grape and the cashew. Mix it well.